Welcome to a new episode about heavy equipment. In today's video I show you a lot of interesting machines that might impress you. Be sure to watch the end of the video, and here we go. A bucket wheel excavator is a giant machine used in mining and civil engineering projects to extract large amounts of earth and rock. It has a rotating wheel with numerous buckets attached to it that scoop up material and transport it along a conveyor belt. The machine can move up to 12,000 cubic meters of material per hour and can weigh up to 13,000 tons. Bucket wheel excavators are typically used in open pit mining operations and are capable of digging to depths of up to 50 meters. These machines are known for their massive size and impressive efficiency, but they also have a significant impact on the environment and local communities. In fact, sitting at your computer screen or watching this video on your smartphone is impossible to get a realistic idea of the size of the heavy machines I show you in my episodes. Here are some videos that perfectly convey the size of heavy machinery against a human background. Write in the comments, would you like to see these awesome machines in person? The Caterpillar 6090FS is a large hydraulic excavator designed for heavy-duty mining and construction projects. It weighs up to 1,000 tons and has a maximum power output of 4,500 horsepower. The machine has a bucket capacity of up to 52 cubic meters and can reach depths of up to 21 meters. Do you know anything about this machine? It looks pretty old but incredibly epic. Super large stone mining saw blades are massive cutting tools used in the mining and construction industries for cutting through large blocks of stone, such as granite and marble. These saw blades can range in size from several meters in diameter to as large as 9 meters, and they can weigh several tons. They are typically composed of diamond segments or other hard abrasives that are bonded onto a steel blade. These blades are capable of cutting through stone with incredible precision and efficiency, making them essential tools for the mining and construction industries. This epic machine is also designed for stone mining, but I'll discuss it in more detail in another episode. The Komatsu D375A is a heavy-duty bulldozer used in mining and construction projects. It weighs up to 74 tons, has a powerful 610 horsepower engine, and can push up to 44 cubic meters of material at once. It is designed to be durable and reliable, with advanced hydraulic systems and onboard diagnostics. The Volvo EC950F is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator used in mining and construction projects. It weighs up to 94 tons, has a 603 horsepower engine, and advanced hydraulic systems. It has a bucket capacity of up to 5.6 cubic meters and can reach depths of up to 8.6 meters. Another equally epic machine used in the logging industry is the log loader. A log loader is a heavy-duty machine used in forestry operations for loading, unloading, and transporting logs. It has a hydraulic boom and grapple for lifting logs of various sizes and is highly maneuverable. A wood-cutting machine, also known as a sawmill, is a powerful tool used in the forestry industry for cutting logs into lumber. It can handle logs of various sizes and can make precise cuts quickly and efficiently. The machine typically has a large circular saw blade that is driven by a powerful engine. The logs are fed into the saw blade by a conveyor system, which keeps the logs in place and moves them through the cutting process. The sawmill is designed to be durable and reliable, with safety features such as guards and emergency stop buttons. It is an essential tool for processing logs into lumber for use in construction, furniture, and other industries. An excavator is a heavy-duty machine equipped with a hydraulic arm and bucket that can be used to tear down or dismantle structures. The excavator can be equipped with various attachments, such as hydraulic hammers, shears, and grapples, to carry out specific demolition tasks. The process typically involves breaking down the building into smaller pieces, which are then removed from the site using the excavator. The excavator is an efficient and cost-effective method for demolition, allowing for the rapid removal of large structures with minimal manual labor. However, it requires skilled operators and careful planning to ensure safety and prevent damage to nearby structures. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have the most interesting videos on heavy machinery used in various industries. Be sure to go to the channel and check it out for yourself. See you soon. Bye.